Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon of the Loc'D, and I am here to do an unboxing video for Peculiar Roots. Y'all, so I'm here to do an unboxing video for Peculiar Roots. Super excited. I purchased shampoo, conditioner, and also hair oil. I definitely needed a new shampoo and conditioner because I just ran out of my own. And the beauty supply stores are definitely closed right now, so yeah. And also I needed more hair oil because I do get tired of making my own. I've been making my own for a while now, and I want to try new companies who are trying to, you know, put their name out there in the Loc community. So first of all, this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. It's vibrant. I love the message on the front that says embrace your uniqueness. And I'm about to open it up. I haven't opened it yet. I pulled it straight out the poly mailer. So let's get started. Ooh, so pretty in the inside. Okay, so it comes with this cute little card first. It says thank you for my order. And also, I've been seeing this, y'all. I've been so excited for this. Look at this. Look how dope this is. Y'all, it lit up. It lit up. It says official VIP customer. Turn me up. Turn me up. Me, period. But, excuse me, I don't have corona, y'all. But they told me that they were going to send me some goodies. But when they said this, I was not expecting to open a box like this. I was only expecting like one extra goodie. But, yo, I got some extra goodies. So, these three things are what I ordered. But I also have this, I don't know what it is yet. And, oh, I have this as well. So, let's get started. I'm gonna try to keep this short. So this is the shampoo, y'all. I love the packaging, super cute. I ordered the clarifying detox and charcoal shampoo. I don't know why I just did period, but this is the shampoo combination that I ordered. I can't wait to try it out this weekend. And here is the hair oil. It has coconut oil, castor seed oil, and hemp seed oil, which I know are really great oils because I use them in my own skincare products. Okay, so let's see. Loc pomade, Peculiar Roots braids, lock and twist. I don't think I'm saying that right. Pomade. I'm gonna say pomade. But basically some retwisting gel. Ooh, that smells really good. This is what it looks like. Ooh, I love that. I love that. I love that. I love me some good retwisting stuff, y'all. Okay, so ginger shampoo bar. I've never tried a shampoo bar before. This is gonna be interesting when I wash my hair. Ooh, this is giving me lemon vibes. That smells really good. This is what it looks like. I can't wait to try this. That's very new for me. This is gonna be very new for me. But it's ginger shampoo bar. I definitely smell the ginger. Yep. Oh, this is gonna be good. Now what's this? I'm assuming it goes like this. I don't know how. Oh, shoot now. Oh, shoot now. Oh, I think it goes like this. Either way it goes, I'm gonna figure it out and I'm gonna put it on. And I'm assuming that you will wear it after you wash your hair just to dry it. And this says Peculiar Roots, y'all. They are the bomb for sending me this. Okay, and I have an edges brush. They probably was like, girl, I need to brush her edges. Okay, let's see. I barely know how to work these things. Ooh, I don't even have product right there, y'all. Y'all see that? Bet. I'm so excited. And I also have, I'm assuming like a little plastic bag to drop my products in. Y'all, this is Peculiar Roots. This is Peculiar Roots. Honey, I love it. I love it already. I haven't even tried a single product, and I'm so excited and ready to try everything.